Unit 2. Talking the talk. Definitions. Number 1. Originate. To come from a particular place. Example. It is likely that coffee originated in East Africa and spread throughout the world from there. Number 2. Colossal. Extremely large. Example. She thought her logic was perfect, but she has made a colossal miscalculation. Number 3. Document. To write about something or film it in order to record information about it. Example. Through research on the extent of global warming, scientists have documented an increase in temperatures in the Arctic. Number 4. Coin. To invent new words. Example. Shakespeare is said to have coined many new words. Number 5. Apparent. Easy to notice. Example. It became apparent that the students had not understood the science lesson. Number 6. Ingenuity. Skill at inventing things and thinking of new ideas. Example. He is known for his ingenuity in solving the problems. Number 7. Abundant. Exists or is available in large quantities. Example. Bananas are so abundant in the winter that prices tend to be low. Number 8. Term. A word or expression with a particular meaning. Example. I am not familiar with those technical terms. Could you explain it in simpler language? Number 9. Unconventional. Very different from the way people usually behave, think, dress, etc. Example. Jane writes her numbers in an unconventional way. She writes them from bottom to top. Number 10. Brainstorming. Thinking about something to generate a lot of possible ideas. Example. We should brainstorm some titles for your new novel. Number 11. Inspiration. The origin of a new exciting idea from something you see or hear. Example. The author says that things which happen in his life are the inspiration for his stories. Number 12. Passed away. Died. Example. My grandfather passed away more than 10 years ago, but I still miss him. Number 13. Intriguing. Something that's very interesting or fascinating. Example. The detective novel was so intriguing that I read it from cover to cover one night. Number 14. Innovative. Original or new. Example. There are some really innovative ideas coming from young computer scientists in India and China. Number 15. Finite. Having an end or a limit. Example. Please note that we have only got a finite amount of time to review the results, so we need to hurry. More definitions. Number 1. Acronym. A word, phrase, or name formed with the initial letters of the words it includes. Example. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization is known by the acronym NATO. Number 2. Alliteration. Repetition of the first consonant sounds of words in a sentence. Example. 4 figs fell from the fat fig trees. Number 3. Anagram. A word or phrase made by rearranging letters from another word or phrase. Example. Listen and silent. Number 4. Cliché. A saying or expression that has been used so often that it has lost its effect. Example. Time heals all wounds is a cliché. Number 5. Simile. A comparison using like or as. Example. The cat stalked the mouse like a detective with a magnifying glass. Similes. Number 1. I can't eat this ice cream because it's as cold as ice. Number 2. She could answer the problem very fast. It was as easy as a boy. Number 3. It's an old cookie. It's as dry as a bone. Number 4, he cannot go out without his glasses. He is as blind as a bat. Number 5, after he had finished his exams, he felt as free as a bird. Number 6, this castle is as old as hills. It was built hundreds of years ago. Number 7, when I got into the house, it was as silent as the grave. Number 8, the cute little girl spoke to me. She was as sweet as honey. Number 9, you can't beat him in boxing. He is as strong as an ox. Number 10, we need to be as quiet as a mouse as the baby is sleeping.